Oh yeah, so are my powers...
Ichigo,
Yeah?
right now your body is in the second stage of spirit energy loss. Soon, all the spirit energy you have left will be gone.
I can't sense any spirits. Not a single one. Even Rukia's presence is starting to fade away.
Hey, there's no use looking so sad, okay? Even if you won't be able to see me anymore, I'll still be keeping a close eye on you.
Now that's just great. You spying on me.
This is goodbye, Ichigo.
It looks that way. Goodbye, Rukia.
Give it back! Give me back my power! Right now! Danger!